Hello student, welcome back. Let's continue with our English lesson number 4, Marching to Freedom. Comprehension part. Yes, we are done with question number 1. Question number 2. What is the question number 3? Frame sentences using these words from the text. कि हमें क्या करना है? Sentence बनाना है. We have to make one sentence. What are the words? Clever, embarrass, spread, adamant. Once again, clever, embarrass, spread, adamant. Now, take your CW book and write. Question number 3. Frame the sentences using these words. Number 1 is clever. What will be the sentence? Fox is a clever animal. Okay, very easy. Fox is a clever animal. We have used the word clever in our sentence. Next is embarrass. The boys laughed at my back to embarrass me. Okay, embarrass means to make someone shy. So, the boys laughed at my back to embarrass me. So, we have used the word embarrass here. Next, spread. What could be the sentence? I love to spread butter on my bread. I love to spread butter on my bread. So, here we have used the word spread. And the last one is adamant. Okay, come to the next side of your book. So, the last word is adamant. What is the meaning of adamant? It means not to change the mind. So, the sentence is, my mother is adamant that I finish homework before I go to play. Yes, mummy अपना mind change कर रही थी क्या? No. So, what is the sentence here? My mother is adamant that I finish homework before I go to play. So, students, what you have to do? You have to write sentence for these 4 words. Now, come back to your workbook, page number 45. What you have on the next page, page number 45? You have the next comprehension topic, number 4, main idea. So, what do you mean by main idea? Very firstly, we will read the extract and then we will solve the question number 4. You read different kind of text such as fictional, informational or fantasy. As you read them, you come across many ideas in the text. However, each piece of text has a main idea. This is the main point the text is trying to convey. The rest are the details that support the main idea. So, what is the topic called main idea? Right? We have read the lesson. हमने पूरा lesson read किया है. So, while reading, you come to know what is the text is saying about. है कि नहीं? हमें हमारा text क्या बता रहा है? That we can get. So, such things are called as main idea and remaining are called as the support or the details which support the exact idea. To find the main idea, ask yourself what is the text about. Usually, the title of the text gives away the main idea. Now, students, for understanding this, let's take an example. Okay, हम एक example read करते हैं so that we can understand it more better. For example, students, you have to read behind me. Dhani knew something exciting was being planned at the ashram, but no one would tell him anything. He knew they all thought that at 9 years he was too young to be a part of their plan. So, according to you, dashed is the main idea of the paragraph. Can you tell me what is the main idea of this paragraph? The main idea is not to tell to Dhani what is going to be happen. है कि नहीं? धानी को बताना था कि exactly क्या plan हो रहा है? No. Why? Because Dhani is too small. So, our main idea is to share that Dhani lived at Sabarmati Ashram. Very firstly, Sabarmati Ashram में रहता है Dhani. Next, to share Dhani's age. Yes or no? The next sentence was telling about that Dhani is a small young boy and he is of 9 years. And the next thing is to share that something is being planned. Or the text is telling us about something is being planned. कुछ तो plan कर रहे हैं. So tell me students, what you think is the main idea? Is it about Sabarmati Ashram? Is it about only 9 years? Or it is about being planned according to the boy? So can you tell me exactly what is the paragraph is about? The paragraph is about to share that something is being planned. Understood? So this all the text was supporting for the plan. है कि नहीं? बाकी के words तो just support कर रहे थे. But exact important main idea was to share something is being planned. In this way we will be completing our next two examples. Come to question number 4. Select the option that state the main idea of this paragraph. See, paragraph is given, 3 options are given. हमें correct option को tick करना है. So the first is, because if he goes on this long march and walks all the way to Dandi, the news will spread. There will be pictures in the papers and reports on the radio, and people all over the world will know that we are fighting for our freedom, and that will really embarrass the British, explained Binda. So, what is the main idea of this paragraph? Number 1 is to describe why Gandhiji wanted to embarrass the British, or to describe why Gandhiji plans to walk, or to describe Gandhiji's plan. So tell me, key extract क्या बता रहा है? What did Binda actually explain to Dhani? He had explained why Gandhiji plans to walk. गांधीजी ने मार्च ऑर्गेनाइज की, राइट? बट वो चल कर ही क्यों जाएंगे, उसके बारे में डिस्क्राइब किया है ना. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज टू डिस्क्राइब why Gandhiji plans to walk. Put tick mark on number 2. Number B. Gandhiji looked thoughtful and then continued, but who will take care of Binny? If you go with me, when I come back, I will be very weak. I will need to drink a lot of milk to become strong again. Okay, now you have heard the paragraph. Let's see for the options. To find what Dhani wants. Number 2. To stop Dhani from joining the march, or to find who will take care of Binny. So, गांधी जी का इम्पोर्टेंट मेन आइडिया क्या था यहाँ पर? धानी को लेकर जाना है या धानी को रोकना है, और अदरवाइज who will take care of Binny. What was the exact idea here? Can you tell me? Answer is to stop Dhani from joining the march. So, again number 2. Put tick mark on number 2. Students, in this way you have to complete your page number 45 and write question 3 and question number 4 in CW book. Okay, bye bye.